What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be switching out the side view mirror caps. This is the other side, but oh no, this is this side. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be sick. We're also going to switch out the side view mirrors for this one because obviously I didn't know how to do it. We got our whole tool set. I recommend you guys get a tool set because you don't want to break the side view mirror like I did. Gonna get this, and it's so cold out here. This is such a bad day to record this. Oh my god. It's so cold outside. Alright, basically you want to move the side view mirror in a position where it's tilted upward like this, so that way it doesn't break on you like how it broke on me. Turn on the car, go right here. I'm going to turn it up all the way up. You want it to be at the very top, so it stopped moving, and then now we're going to use our pry tool to get it off. It's already broken, but we're going to see if I can manage to not break it on the right side. Alright, let's go. Okay. So I got one clip. It's already broken, so it's coming off a little easier than I feel like it should, but I don't want to break this any more than it is. Damn, I feel like I'm gonna break the next one. I'm not lying. Like, next you want to use this tool. I got the mirror off. Not gonna lie, you have to pull on it pretty hard. It's good to maintain some pressure on this side so that way you don't crack it, or you prevent it from cracking it. It is very hard to take this mirror off, I'll say that. You have to pull it up pretty hard, and you'll know when it's loose, but you know, you gotta pull it pretty hard. So once you take this off, you just gotta undo these clips, this clip and that clip, and then this slides right out. It's hard to do this and record at the same time, but I'm doing my best. Kind of push it inward, I think. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna stop recording for a minute. Alright, what up, YouTube? Another video. So I'm gonna show you how to switch out these caps right here. First thing you want to do is the side view mirror caps to make it like the Sport with the little spike in. I got this as carbon fiber. I already did it, but Gonna show you how to take off the mirror. So first you wanna, already did the left side, so I'm gonna show you how to do the right side. Don't take my advice on this because as you can see, I broke both of them. I broke this one and this one on installing it, but yeah, right now I'm switching this one. So from what I've seen, you want to turn the mirror all the way up. I guess that makes it easier or something. I still broke it, so it didn't really work for me, but I got the new mirror here. I'm going to show you how to put it on now. Yeah, I don't know. If you can do this on your own, good for you, but this shit was difficult. I don't really recommend doing it unless you have to. So you just want to put this underneath here. Definitely get some pry tools because you don't want to mess this up. So I was able to get it off. Held in by some clips right here. It's pretty difficult to get off without breaking it. Basically it's held in with these points right here and that clip. You just want to disconnect those and then reconnect the new one on the back. Yep. $200 just for these caps. And basically you just pull this off. There's some tabs right here you need to push in. There, and here. And then once you push those tabs in, or you pinch them together, I believe, then you can take this off. And that's it. I'm just gonna undo this and then I'll show you the finished result. So that's what it looks like disconnected. You just gotta pull these tabs, pull them outwards, and then there's a pin that you can push. And then you wanna just reconnect it to these defrosters and the electricals. First, obviously, connect them before you put it in. Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be switching these mirror caps. We already did this one side. It was pretty difficult, but we're going to go over the process of how you take it off and to be very careful of doing this because I broke both sides of the mirror, side view mirror, both attempts, and I had to replace it. So this video is going to show you how not to do that. Basically for this, you want to pop off this side view mirror first. I've heard other videos, they say to adjust the mirror all the way in the up position to have more leverage. I still managed to break it on both sides, but from what I hear, it's better to have the most surface areas. Regular pry tools probably won't work because it puts too much pressure all in one area. You need something that covers a lot, like a wide surface area, so it doesn't break the mirror. We already did this side, so I'll show you on the other side. Well, it's all disassembled. So after you pop it off, it should be hanging like this by these 3 wires. You just connect them with this pin. You get a pin and kind of push down and then pull this out. And these 2 are pull-out pins also. You just pull them out, and then this will become detached. When you're taking this part off, this is the passenger cap. I'm gonna put it on for the video just so you can see what it looks like. It would look like this. And to replace the cap, there are 2 pins that pop out right here, or 3 pins that pop out right there, and right here. As you can see, basically when it's clipped in, you just gotta pinch them together, and then you pull this part out. You pull out the, you have to pinch them all together at the same time, and then pull this out. It's kind of hard to pull out, but you can get it out. So that's how you switch out these things. Probably wondering why this is off. So I'm gonna get the cap first. This is part of the video. So normally on the inside, it'll look something like this. Obviously with the cover on, but it'll look something like this. And basically this side view mirror, the glass part, is clipped into these notches here around the edges. And that's basically it. Reverse engineer to get it all back in. You just clip that in. But another reason why this is off is because another caution as to why you need to be careful taking this off, the side view mirror. The second time it broke, I had to wait until I got another side view mirror, which is this one. This is the new one. So here, I'll show you. This happened 2 times, so this is why you need to be very careful. Not only because of the broken glass. So let's say this was right here, right? This is the other side, but just use your imagination. As I was pulling this up, I angled it upwards to the upright position to get more leverage on it. As I was pulling it up, I was able to get it off. I took it off, right? I put this guy on, and as I was trying to turn the mirror back to its original side view position, it wouldn't move from the controls on the inside. So I thought to myself that, oh, I broke it or something. Well, what happened was I did kind of break it. As I was pulling it up, this was already angled in an upright position. So this inner part rotates on the edges of the housing. And basically this part was overlapping on the outside and it got stuck because it was turned in a position like this, and basically this bottom part was overlapping the outside part and it got stuck. So I already fixed it, put it back in place. I see some videos of you have to brush the corrosion off of these prongs, but that wasn't the issue with this one. I had gotten it stuck. So always check. Always check for any flaws or anything. That way you can make sure nothing's happening. So I'm gonna put this back on to show you how you put the side view mirror back on. There's 3 clips here that hold it all into place. That's if you need to take that off. I didn't really need to take it off. I just wanted to inspect it. And this plugs back into here. I'm gonna put this down for a little bit. So this is all clipped in. And then there's a screw that holds the inside right here into place. You need a T10. Just hand tighten it. So now it's back in place. You just want to align the prongs with the clips. Push it gently back into place. And it's in. And lastly, for the side view mirror caps, just push them back in. Yep, that's how it's done. Like, comment, subscribe.